Did you know? There's a place in North America where the water never stops falling? That's right. Welcome to the world of Niagara Falls, a wonder that nature has been crafting for over 12,000 years. Niagara Falls is not just one, but a trio of waterfalls straddling the international border between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. The three waterfalls are the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. Together, they form the highest flow rate of any waterfall in North America. Impressive, isn't it? But how did Niagara Falls come to be? Well, it all started around the end of the last ice age, about 12,000 years ago. As the glaciers began to retreat, they left behind a large amount of melted water, which began to flow, carving out a path that eventually became the Niagara River. Over time, the water eroded the rock layers, creating the stunning waterfalls we see today. Now, if you were to visit Niagara Falls, you'd see more than just water. The area around the falls is rich in wildlife. From the majestic bald eagle soaring in the sky to the tiny minnows swimming in the Niagara River, the falls are a hub of biodiversity. And it's not just about the nature. Niagara Falls has also played a significant role in human history. For centuries, the falls have been a source of inspiration for explorers, artists, and writers. They've also been a source of power. In the late 19th century, the falls were used to generate electricity, and they still produce a large amount of hydroelectric power today. Niagara Falls is also a place of daring feats and stunts. In the past, daredevils have tried to go over the falls in barrels, walk across the falls on tight ropes, and even jump off the falls with parachutes. But remember, these stunts are extremely dangerous and illegal. It's much safer to enjoy the beauty of the falls from a distance. So what have we learned about Niagara Falls? We've learned that it's a trio of waterfalls with the highest flow rate in North America. We've discovered that it was formed at the end of the last ice age and is home to a wide range of wildlife. We've also learned about its role in human history and the daring stunts that some people have attempted there. Niagara Falls is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. It's a place that tells a story of ice, water, erosion, and life. It's a story that's been unfolding for over 12,000 years and continues to captivate us today. So the next time you see a picture of Niagara Falls, remember, you're not just looking at a waterfall, you're looking at a piece of history.